Yo guys, you know what we're playing? No. Happy Wheels, you see? So, start. Level. Okay, let's just play. So, got bus. BMS bulb. Come on, please. Oh, okay. Oh. I got the controls wrong. What you doing? Further down. Ah! Okay guys, this is weird. Just to say, have you seen my Roblox videos? There is alright. Ah! I did not mean to do that. Okay. 2 drones. Ah! Oh. No. Looks like you had the baddest life in the world. It was only small, but we've just started your life. You've just been grown. Because you're the king. Jump! No! Okay guys, I'm giving up on this. It keeps happening. Oh. This was weird. This gonna end. Looks like it isn't. Just a nice day. Just going downstairs. Maybe not. This is not a nice day. He's still going. Can you make it? Maybe not. Snowy mountain. Let's play some snow. Get out of here. Think of is he dead? Oh wait, do I have to grab it? No, grab. I need a wing. Looks like that. I can't do that one. Dawn of the Dead. Oh. Okay. We just killed somebody. Can we do... Oh. No. Do a backflip. Jump off! Ow. What you doing? What did I tell you? Jump! Okay, so can you let me in the dark room? And I just now run my button here on this plain thing. Or can I? Hello. So that's what happens if you go down there. Let's see that again. So my we trapped him and then quickly run. Oh, okay. Oh, it's just gonna do that. Message menu. Oh, it ropes rings. Ah! I didn't get ready. Okay guys, shall we go and see what level it is? Okay. This is not what's happening. Can I rub your face? I'm just gonna agree with all this. Put you there. Put you there. Blocks. You got that to go through. And then you've got this that jumps under you, so you've got to be fast. And then I'm just gonna do random stuff for the hell. What am I doing? The hell am I doing? What is this? Test level. Main menu. Wait. Have you broke your arm now? So you've got hurt. The large satin eats you. Okay, because I need to run. We have to run from that thing behind us. Okay, ready? No! Oh, he hits over the block. Maybe that's just it. Obstacle course. Yeah. Good job you're wearing the helmet. Get out of your helmet. Does that helmet have superpowers? But it just, I think it just went through. Let's do that helmet thing. How is that torching spike look? Woo! Go. Where's my kid? Did I just, does like that takes away my kid? I don't like this guy anyway. Go you. Go. Get your butt. You've got all your germs on that. You've got like your poo. What's this dripping? Whatever it is, I do not like it. No! Get on that. Oh! This guy's a good guy. No! No. He's floating. I gotta let go upon all this. You know what? Die. Die. Ow! It's hitting me. You're gonna beat me up, hey? No what? We gotta restart. Woohoo! Kid, we're doing okay, okay? Maybe. Still alive. Kid, what are you doing? Kid, what are you doing? What you doing? This kid's going crazy. Look at that kid. Billy. That kid is Billy. Billy. I don't like saying Billy and that's weird. What you doing? Just get out of the chair. It isn't hard. Just jump out there and make your father proud. Even though he's dead. Make him. He's just squashing her. What you doing? Yeah, you made it. But we didn't really need to see that. I'm backflipping mania. Backflip mania! Give out the whoa! No, I wanna miss that. Do that again. I wanna like black him on. No, I want my kid. See, that's what you do. You need to go on. Nope, trying to kill me. I want you to die. Maybe I'll just get a walk in it. Yeah. Yay, clever breather. Clever gamer. Clever puppet. Try. No time for playing. What you doing? That was... Oh. Ow. I'm giving up with that. I'm going back to this. Let's see Goat Boss Extreme. We'll be driving this. Oh. Oh, I did it, guys. So when we go in here, we're gonna jump off and get in. Yay! Yes, shut. Yeah, we shut the door. We done what we were supposed to do. Maybe not really what we were supposed to do. What we're doing it. We're doing it. Or not. Okay guys, just go get down there again. Okay, so jump off. Get in! Get in! Get in! No! No! What are you doing? Oh, you missed it. What are you doing? I'm not even controlling.